Okay, there you
Hello.
go.
Hi.
Mabilis na mahihiling manonood. Okay, mga kababayan, na nandito sa Korea, we're going to have an explosion event this coming Sunday. This will be the first, so you don't miss it. President Doc Ed, CEO, is here. Mr. Excitement Chan Aspirin is also here with their families, and Mr. Francis Miguel, the finance leader and mentor, is already here. And we're all, we would like you to invite your friends, come one and come all. We enjoy the event, and we will be having more fun this coming Sunday.
Yes, the biggest company, the best company, network marketing is here in Korea. Come join us in this event, and this is a one-in-a-lifetime event since all the board of directors are here. And we're gonna give you a lot of good news this coming November 1, so don't miss that. And see you, and more power to you all.
Yeah!